Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 7 of English Honeysuckle. The name of the chapter is Fair Play. Dear students, you all know that this is the story of Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary and the aunt of Jumman Sheikh. Dear students, in the beginning of the story we have seen that both Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary both are the best men, but in the second part of the story we have seen that when the panchayat is over, after that when Algu Chaudhary gave the decision against Jumman Sheikh, both became enemies of each other. Now Jumman Sheikh wanted to take the revenge with Algu Chaudhary in the second part of the story. Dear students, today we will discuss the third part of the story, which is given at the page number 88. You open your book. Dear students, those who did not attend the previous class, the lecture first and lecture second, the part 1 and part 2 of this chapter, can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the third part of this story. Now just see, there is another incident we will see. Now, in the first part of the story, we have seen both are the best friends. But in the second part of at the ending portion of the part second, we have seen that both become the enemies. Now, just see in the third class what happened. Now, Jumman Sheikh wanted to take revenge with Algu Chaudhary. So, just see. Come to the part third. Dear students, if you know the story of part 1 and part second, then only you can able to understand the story of part 3. So it is necessary that you must watch the previous video, because I cannot revise that things here again. Just see, come to the paragraph number 9. It is given at the page number 88. That is the part number 3rd. Days passed, and ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Tight spot means difficult spot. Tight spot means difficult spot. Difficult spot. Just see. Days passed and ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Now, Algu Chaudhary in the part 3rd, in the beginning lines of the part 3rd, we are getting the lines that he is in problem. He is in difficulty. Who? Algu Chaudhary. Just see. One of his fine pair of bullock died. Now, one of his fine pair of bullock has been died. And he sold the other to the Samjhu Sahu. There is one more characteristic. It is also very Samjhu Sahu. Samjhu Sahu. Just see. One of his fine pair. Algu Chaudhary has a pair of bullocks. One arm has been tied, and there is one more bullock, and that bullock he sells to whom? Samjhu Sahu. Just see. Who was Samjhu Sahu? A cart driver of the village. He was a cart driver of the village. Now just see. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. And there is also understanding that he will pay the price of that bullock within 1 month. Within 1 month. Just see. Would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It means Algu Chaudhary has given time of 1 month to Samjhu Sahu to pay the price of that bullock. Just see what will happen next. It so happened that bullock died within a month. But what happened? The bullock died within a month. Within a month. There is a contract between Algu Chaudhary and Samjhu Sahu that Samjhu Sahu will pay the price of that bullock within 1 month, but what happened? The bullock died within 1 month. Now come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 10. Several months after the bullock's death. Now just see, several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he didn't get paid. And so many months has been passed. Samju Sahu did not pay the money, did not pay the price of that bullock which he purchased from Algu. Just say, students, Sahu got very annoyed. Annoyed means angry. Now, when he demands, when Algu Chaudhary claims for money, then what happened? Samju Sahu denied. Annoyed means he became very angry. I can't pay you a penny for raised beast you sold me. Now he is saying, I can't pay a penny. Penny means a coin. He cannot pay a single coin for that raised beast. Raised means very unhappy, in a very poor condition. In a raised beast, यानी कि उस बैल का जो बहुत पुअर कंडीशन में था, उसका एक सिक्का भी, एक रुपया भी नहीं देगा. कौन? समझू साहब. You sold him. He brought us nothing but trouble. He is saying that your bullock brought nothing. He did not earn from that bullock, and it only ruins him. Ruins means barbad. Just see, he is saying that he brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock. He is saying that he has a bullock. Use it for a month and then return to me. Now he is saying that you had given me your bullock for 1 month, and within 1 month that bullock has died. In the same way, you also take my bullock and use it for 1 month and return to me. Who is saying? Samju Sahu. Return to him after using 1 month. Just see. I have a bullock, use it for 1 month of a month and then return it to me. Samju Sahu is saying that he has a bullock. He is saying to Algu Chaudhary, you may take this bullock and use for 1 month and return to him. As the bullock of Algu Chaudhary has been used for only 1 month, and then after that bullock died. So he is playing a game. Now Samju Sahu is playing a game. He is not ready to give a single coin to whom? To Algu Chaudhary. Just see. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Now he said angrily. Samju Sahu said angrily to Algu Chaudhary that he will not pay a single coin to Algu Chaudhary, to him. Okay, students. Now come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 11. Yes, students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask onwards. Just see. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. Now, Algu wanted to refer this case, this matter to the panchayat. And just see, for a second time in a few months, and for the second time in a few months, within few months, what happened? Preparation of holding the panchayat were made. Now, before this, there were a panchayat between the Jumman Sheikh and his aunt, and in that panchayat, Algu Chaudhary was the panch, and now there is one more panchayat is going to be held within a few months, and preparation of holding that panchayat was made. Now the panchayat is preparation of that whole panchayat is going on, and both parties started meeting people seeking their support, and both parties. Now in the third part of the story, there is a panchayat between Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu. There is a condition condition that Samju Sahu is not paying the money for that bullock which has been died. Just see. Algu decided to refer the case. Just see, students. Here, both. Now both Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu is meeting the people, is meeting the villager, having meetings with the villagers to seek the support, seek the supports. Come to the next page, page number 89, paragraph number 12. Just say, students, the panchayat was held under the banyan tree. Again, the panchayat is going to be held under the banyan tree. Algu stood up and said. Now Algu stood up and said, what he said? Your the voice of the punch is the voice of God. Now Algu is saying again. Now in the previous meeting, in the previous panchayat, Algu Chaudhary was the punch. But in this panchayat, that is the case between Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu, Algu stand and said, the voice of the punch is the voice of God. And just see, let Sahu nominate the head punch. Now he is giving offer. He is saying to Samju Sahu that Samju Sahu, you choose a punch. Nominate the head punch. I will abide by his decision. Abide means accept. To accept. Now Algu Chaudhary is saying to Samju Sahu that whatever the punch will say, that he will abide with that. He will accept that things. You see, let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by his decision. He will abide by his decision. He will obey. He will follow. He will accept the decision that has been given by the, that will be given by the punch. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 13. Yes, students, Sahu was his chance to propose the name of Juman. Now, Sahu knows that Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary both are the enemies. In the second part of the story, we all have read. In the first part of the story, Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary both were the best friends. But in the second part of the story, Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary both are the enemies. So now, in the third part of the story, Samju Sahu get opportunity that he nominate the punch to Juman Singh, who is the enemy of Algu Chaudhary. So he will give the decision in his favor. He was thinking, because he is against Algu already. Now just see. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by the decision. Come to the 13th paragraph. Paragraph number 13. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Now Sahu proposed the name of Juman as the punch. Algu's heart sank. Sank means girjana. Now Algu became sad. He thought that Juman now will take the revenge. As he has given the opinion, he has given the judgment against him in the previous panchayat. So just see, students, Algu's heart sank and turned pale. Now his face is turned pale. It means he is in tension. Algu is in tension. What will happen of this case? But what could he do? He is abide by the decision of the punch. So students, come to the paragraph number 14. The moments Juman became head punch. Now, in the third part of the story, between the case of Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu, who is the punch? Juman Singh is the punch. He realized his responsibility as judge. Now, Juman Singh realized his responsibility as a judge. And just see, and dignity of the office. Could he seated in the high place? Is going to sit at a high place, have his revenge now. He was thinking that he should take revenge now or not. He is sitting on the head point. He is selected as a punch. So he has to take decision. Either he will take revenge or he will give justice. So just see. He thought and thought. Now he is thinking and thinking what to do, what not to do. No, he must not. Now he take decision. Jumal Singh has taken decision that no allow his personal feeling to come in the way of speaking truth and doing justice. So now he has taken decision that no personal matter to allow in this case. He will give justice after hearing the both peoples. He will speak truth. It is written here, personal feelings to come in the way speaking the truth and doing justice. He is saying that he will not allow his personal feeling to give the judgment, to speak the truth. Okay, students, come to the paragraph number 15. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. Now both Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu both stated their case. Both narrated their case. What has happened between both? Just see. They were cross-examined and case was considered deeply. They were cross-examined by the people, by the villagers, and the case was considered deeply. And now the case was considered deeply. अच्छे से उस केस की जांच पड़ताल हुई. Then Juman stood up and announced. Now he understood the case and now he is going to give the decision. He is going to announce the justice. So just see, it is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. Now he is giving decision. He is not taking revenge with Algu and he is giving decision. What he is saying? He is saying that Algu, it is, where was I? It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. He is saying that Sahu should pay the money. Sahu should pay the price of that bullock, which has been died already within 1 month. Just see, when Sahu bought the bullocks, it suffered no disabilities or disease. He is saying, Juman Singh is saying that when Samju Sahu purchased the bullock from Algu Sahu, at that time there were no disease, there were no suffering in bullocks. The death of bullock was unfortunate. He is saying, judge is saying, punch is saying, Juman Singh is saying that what he was saying? Death of bullock was unfortunate. It was unfortunate. दुर्भाग्य से ऐसा हो गया. There is no fault of Algu Chaudhary. But Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feelings. Now, Algu is very happy. He could not contain his feelings. अपने फीलिंग्स को, अपने बातों को रोक नहीं सका. Although he was thinking that Juman will take the revenge, but Juman did not take revenge. He gave justice. Just see, Algu could not contain his feeling. He stood up and said loudly. Over and over again. What he said? Victory of the Panchayat. Now Algu Chaudhary said that this is the victory of Panchayat. God lives in the voice of punch. Now he is saying, Algu Chaudhary is saying that God lives in the voice of punch. In the voice of punch. Okay, students? Now he did not take revenge. Although if he wanted to take revenge, then he can. But he is giving justice because he is punch. Therefore, Algu said that the voice of the punch is the voice of God, because God cannot injustice with other people. Just see. Soon after, Juman came to Algu and embraced him. Now, soon after declaration of the result, Algu Chaudhary went to Juman Sheikh and embraced him. Embraced means gale mein. And said, since the last panchayat I had become your enemy. He is saying that since the last panchayat, पिछले पंचायत में हम दोनों क्या हो गए थे, enemy बन गए थे. Today I realize what it meant to be a punch. Now Algu Chaudhary is saying that today he realized. Sorry, Juman Sheikh is saying that today he realized that what is the meaning to become a punch. A punch has no friend, no enemy. He is saying that a punch has no friend nor enemy. He has no friends and he has to give only justice. He knows only justice. A punch knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth of friendship or enmity. Yes, see students, it is written here, message. Let no one deviate from the path of justice. We should not deviate, we should not move away from the path of justice and truth of friendship or enmity. Algu embraced his friend. Now both Algu embraced his friend Juman Sheikh and wept. Now he is crying. And his tears washed all the dirt of his misunderstanding between them. Now there between both there is a misunderstanding that he will take revenge, but now he is crying, he is feeling that whatever Juman Sheikh has given the decision for Algu Sheikh, that is also right, and Juman Sheikh also realized that whatever the decision has been given by Algu Chaudhary in the first meeting, that was also right. Okay, so just see misfortune between them. And in this way, in this story, we have seen that a punch had no friends, no enemy. He only gave the justice because voice of the punch is the voice of God. Okay, so this is the message of the story, that we should always favor the justice. We should always favor the truth. Okay, students, that's all for today. I hope that you all have understood this story. If you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.